Okay, exam 4, problem 4. We have a lens that has two different focal lengths, one for violet, one for red, due to dispersion. If this lens is 1 meter from a black surface covered in 1.5 centimeter violet dots and 2 centimeter red dots, where would the images for the red and violet spots be located? Okay, so what matters are the distance and the focal length, and the size of the dots don't really play into where the image shows up. So let's start with violet. All right. So for violet, we've got 1 over distance to the object, right, plus 1 over distance to the image equals 1 over the focal length. And so we can choose our units to be either all centimeters or all meters. As long as the units are all the same, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go with all centimeters. So and what this really means in terms of finding the distance to the image, right? It's 1 over the focal length minus 1 over the distance to the object, right? Which in our case is 1 over, for violet, 1 over 12. Put an equal sign there. 1 over 12 centimeters minus 1 over 100 centimeters. All right. All right, pop over to Excel. So we have 1 over 12 minus 1 over 100. And we actually want DI, which is the inverse of that. So we want 1 divided by that. So 13.6, right? DI is 13.6 centimeters. All right, that's it for violet. Now for red, we have exactly the same equations, right? I'm just go ahead and copy this one. Exactly the same equations, except now this 1 over 12 is 1 over 10. All right, 1 over 10. And so what does DI for, let me get back up here. All right, what is DI for a 10 centimeter focal length look like? And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this equation. I'm going to change the 12, 10, and we get 11.1 centimeters. All right, 11.1 centimeters for red. All right, now part B. What will the magnification of the red and violet spots be? So violet magnification is equal to minus distance to the image divided by distance to the object. All right, so in the case of violet, it's minus 13.6 divided by 100. The centimeters all cancel out, right? So the magnification is minus 0.136. That correct? That's correct. Okay, for red, same thing. Magnification is minus distance to the image divided by distance to the object. Distance to the image. Image divided by distance to the object equals, in this case, minus 11.1 over 100. Right, so minus 0.111. And that's it for problem 4.